Thank you so much for having me here at Rebuild. Super interesting event. We talk about urban mining. It's really important for the future of decarbonization. In our company, where we manufacture facade systems and curtain wall system, we believe that urban mining is the future for decarbonization. We are taking down old facades in old projects that we've been building for the last 50 years and reclaiming these materials. So we are sometimes bringing it down, disassembling and bringing back to recycling facilities or directly to some of the suppliers that provided us the materials basically 25 years ago, 30 years ago, and they can recycle and generate new materials. Or we can refurbish and remanufacture some of these elements and bring them back to life. What it means, we take them down from the building, we bring them to the factory, and we clean them, we replace the materials that are not performing as well as before, and then we increase the performance. We substitute materials to basically bring it up to code and bring them back to life, and then ship them back to the site. And doing this, we noticed that we can decrease the carbon footprint around 70 to 80%. So a massive impact with also in some cases cost decrease. So it's really has a huge potential. We're going to work on it. There are a lot of open questions, especially about scalability of this process, but we're super excited, and we believe that is the future of our industry.